afternoon. How are you today? In our today's class, let's look at this vectorial question. ABC is a triangle. B is a point, bracket open 1, minus 10, and A is a point 4, 14, and vector CA is equals to minus 11, 8. Roman figure 1, find the coordinates of C. Roman figure 2, find the vector BA. Roman figure 3, find the magnitude of the vector CA. The B part of the question involves the diagram. In the diagram, OMN is a triangle. OM is equals to A and ON is equals to B. R is a point on MN such that MR is to RN is equals to 3:2. ORT is a straight line. Roman figure 1, show that OR is equals to 2 over 5 of A plus 3 over 5 of B. Roman figure 2A, NT is equals to 4A plus KB, and vector OT is equals to C vector OR. Find the value of K and the value of C. The B part of that question, find the vector MT. Right, let's look at the solution together. In the solution to the question, we have, let OB be equals to I minus 10j, that's expressing it as a two-component vector. Then OA is equals to 4i plus 14j, and vector CA is equals to minus 11i plus 8j. Then vector OC can be written as vector OA plus vector AC. Vector OA is given as 4i plus 14j, while vector CA is given. So vector CA and vector AC are negative vector of each other. So since CA is given, we have AC as negative bracket open negative 11i plus 8j. So we add up based on components 4i plus 11i plus 14j minus 8j, which gives us 15i plus 6j. Therefore, the coordinates of the point C is 15,6. To find the vector BA, we have vector BA is equals to vector BO plus OA. Since vector OB is I minus 10j, so vector BO becomes negative bracket opens I minus 10j plus vector OA, which is 4i plus 14j. So we have minus I plus 10j plus 4i plus 14j. That gives us minus I plus 4i plus 10j plus 14j. So we have 3i plus 25j. So vector BA is given as a column vector of 3, 25. Then the magnitude of vector CA is given as the square root of minus 11 squared plus 8 squared, which is square root of 121 plus 64, which is square root of 185. Okay, that ends the first part of that question. Let's look at the second part of the question involving the diagram. In the diagram, we are given triangle OMN and OTN, and the point R dividing MN in the ratio 3:2. So we have MR over RN is equals to 3 over 2. So making MR the subject of the formula, we have 3 over 2 RN. As a straight line, Mn can be written as Mr plus Rn. If we substitute Mr as 3 over 2 Rn, we have Mn as 5 over 2 Rn. If that be the case, having Mn as Mo plus On, therefore Mn can be expressed as B minus A. Since Om is B, Mo is a negative vector of On, so we have B minus A. Therefore, Rn is 2 over 5 of B minus A, and Mr is 3 over 5 of B minus A. So let us find OR. OR is equals to OM plus MR. OM is given as A, then MR is given as 3 over 5 of B minus A. So if we open the bracket and simplify, we have OR as 2 over 5 of A plus 3 over 5 of B. That is OR. Now, to find the vector, to find the value of K and C, we are given in the question that Tn is equals to 4A plus KB and OT is equals to COR. Therefore, OT can be written as 2 over 5 of AC plus 3 over 5 of CB. NT can also be written as NO plus OT, which means 4A plus KB is equals to NO is negative B plus 2 over 5 of AC plus 3 over 5 of CB. So when we compare the coefficients, we take the components to be equal. So all the A's will be equal to A on both sides, and all the B's will be equal to the B on both sides. So we have 4A is equals to 2 over 5 of AC, while KB is equals to minus B plus 3 over 5 of BC. So from the first equation, we can cross multiply. A cancel out A, we have C as 4 times 5 divided by 2, which is 10. So C is 10. In equation 2, if we divide equation 2 through by B, we will have K is equals to minus 1 plus 3 over 5C. If we substitute the value of C as 10, we have minus 1 plus 30 over 5. 30 over 5 is equals to 6. So minus 1 plus 6 is equals to 5. So K is 5. Then NT can be calculated as Mn plus NT. Mn is equals to B minus A plus NT already given. We have 4A plus 5B. So we have B plus 5B, that's 6B, minus A plus 4A, that's 3A. So if we factorize, we have MT as 3 of A plus 2B. Thank you for being part of our class today. Thank you very much for your time. You are welcome. If you wish to hear from us, you can drop a question in the comment section or reach us through this number 080-387-46884. Please do well to share our video when you come across it. Thank you.